Today, I am reviewing the Shark Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The first thing that stands out is the suction power. On carpets, especially medium pile and level loop styles, the vacuum digs in more aggressively than many competitors in its category. Embedded dust and pet hair that often survive single-pass robots are noticeably reduced. The Matrix Clean system plays a significant role here. Instead of gliding over an area once and moving on, the robot follows a precision grid pattern and makes multiple passes. In practice, this translates into visibly cleaner carpets, particularly in high-traffic zones. It feels less like a casual maintenance clean and more like a deliberate deep clean. On hard floors, performance remains strong. Fine debris like dust and crumbs are captured effectively, and larger particles such as cereal or pet kibble are handled without scattering. The CleanEdge Detect feature is particularly impressive around baseboards and corners. By using targeted bursts of air and recognizing edges, it pulls debris away from tight corners and into the suction path. In homes where dust tends to collect along walls, this feature makes a noticeable difference compared to robots that simply glide past edges and leave buildup behind. The Sonic Mopping feature is what truly differentiates this model. Rather than dragging a damp cloth across the floor, it scrubs that up to 100 times per minute. On everyday spills and light stains, this motion is effective. Dried paw prints, kitchen splashes, and sticky spots respond well to the scrubbing action. When using the Matrix Mop option in the app for targeted zones, the robot focuses more intensely on problem areas. While it does not replace a full manual deep scrub for extremely stubborn stains, it significantly reduces the need for frequent manual mopping. For homes with pets, the self-cleaning brush roll is a major advantage. Long hair and pet fur are common problems for robot vacuums, often wrapping around the brush and requiring manual removal. The anti-hair wrap design works surprisingly well. After weeks of operation in a pet-heavy environment, hair buildup on the brush was minimal. That reduces maintenance and keeps suction performance consistent. The self-empty base is another standout feature. With up to 60 days of debris capacity and a bagless design, it eliminates the need for disposable bags. After each cleaning cycle, the robot empties itself into the base, significantly reducing hands-on maintenance. The HEPA filtration and anti-allergen seal in the base capture 99.97% of dust and allergens down to 0.3 microns. For households with allergies, this containment matters. Dust is not just moved around, it is sealed inside the base. Battery management is handled intelligently. When power runs low, the robot automatically returns to the dock, recharges, and resumes cleaning exactly where it left off. In larger homes, this ensures full coverage without manual intervention. The 360-degree LiDAR mapping system quickly creates an accurate map of the home. Navigation is methodical rather than random. It moves in straight, logical paths and avoids obstacles effectively, even in lower light conditions. Furniture legs, pet bowls, and everyday clutter are generally detected and navigated around without issue. The app experience adds a strong layer of customization. You can set no-go zones, designate specific rooms, and schedule targeted cleans. The mapping system allows for room-by-room control, which is especially useful if you want the kitchen cleaned daily, but other rooms less frequently. The ability to initiate a focused Matrix Mop clean in a specific spill area directly from the app is practical. Noise levels are reasonable for the power level. It is not silent, especially when self-emptying into the base, which is noticeably louder for short bursts. However, during normal operation, the sound is comparable to most mid to high-range robot vacuums and does not feel disruptive. There are a few considerations. Like most 2-in-1 robot systems, you need to manage water levels and cleaning solution for mopping sessions. It requires some preparation before switching from pure vacuuming to vacuum and mop mode. Extremely thick rugs or high transitions between rooms may occasionally challenge it, though this is common in robotic cleaners. Overall, the Shark Matrix Plus AV2610WA feels like a mature, thoughtfully engineered cleaning system rather than a novelty device. Powerful suction, true multi-pass carpet cleaning, effective edge handling, sonic scrubbing for hard floors, strong pet hair performance, HEPA self-emptying base, and precise LiDAR navigation combine into a system that meaningfully reduces daily cleaning workload.